Guys, it's my housewarming and I'm gonna go pick up my first guest, Lisa.
No.
What do you think, Lisa?
Well, this is nice.
Yes. I want you to see my office. What do you? You're so cute.
Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you.
And now, welcome to Tiffany's bathroom. Guys, so I know you're probably going to be feeling annoyed that I'm not showing you the bathroom that Lisa is looking at. It's because I want to show you everything at once in the apartment tour, which is the next video after this. However, I'm so excited to announce that today's video is in collaboration with 99 Designs by Vistaprint, who I've been in a partnership with. They help you make new logos, webpage designs, and so many other things that you can check out the various categories using the link in my description box. I literally got to tell them exactly what I wanted to see, which was my graduation picture with this quote. So there are two ways that you can work with designers. One of the ways is by running a contest, which is exactly what I did, where you kind of give your idea out to the entire 99 Designs by Vistaprint community. People who decide to take it on, and then they go away and make a design based on what you said. Then they bring it back and then you kind of choose a winner essentially out of those people, and then you have your design. Or you can just run a one-to-one project where you search for and you get matched with a designer, so one designer who then works with you from start to finish to create the perfect design. So now that you know how 99 Designs by Vistaprint works, let me show you what they created for me. Right here, what you can see in the video, it is such a beautiful print. Obviously that print that I've just shown you, which is now hanging up, hence why I can't hold it, because it's now hanging up and I don't want to show you until it's apartment tour. So I ended up choosing that design as a winner, and then I wanted to put it on these two tote bags, notepads, so I can use them to like write my daily to-do list. You can even put it on bottles. And then I also got like a power bank that I can charge my phone with. This is just a few of the things that I found and I was like, oh, I need to have these. But you can literally put your logo on anything, and it's just so helpful if you're a small business and you want to make sure that your branding is like consistent and it's on par. But yes, thank you so much 99 Designs by Vistaprint for partnering with me to create these really cool items. Let's get back to our video, our housewarming video. Just enjoy it, it's all chaotic. We're about to go and get my sister and the cousins. Everybody say yeah. Welcome to my It is currently 8 in the morning and we went out last night. Decided to go and celebrate Jamaican Independence Day, and we literally got in the house at 5 a.m. But I am a trooper, I'm Zimbabwean. You don't know that we are ministers of enjoyment. So even though I went to bed at like 5 a.m, I'm still awake. It's 8 in the morning. I'm awake because I believe in celebrating life. You guys already know this. I believe that life is a celebration because you only have one. So we are celebrating my housewarming today, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. I've left everybody upstairs sleeping right now. I'm out here decorating. Okay team, this is where I'm at with the balloons. I've just been blowing them. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them. I think I'm gonna wait to see what my family think, my cousins and sisters, when they come upstairs. But so far this is the situation. I think in another life I may have been a party planner because this is too enjoyable for me. I just wanted everybody to appreciate the attention to detail that I have made with the decoration. Everybody's still sleeping and it's 9:40 in the morning. I need you to get up. Guys, so we just got back from Asda and now we're just setting up on drinks and stuff. Guys, so for the first time I'm gonna have,
You know, I don't do mad eyeliner, you know.
I'm gonna have my eye makeup done
because
because I never have my makeup done for anybody, so
I feel pressure because
don't
this
look like
is
a clown though.
I have a lot of pressure because I feel like this is a very like special occasion.
Guys, everyone is dressed, we're behind schedule but we look cute, our makeup is on and everything's always, I feel like it's my wedding day. My family, hi! Flowers for me! Chef Richie Saucy is here, it's gonna spice up the house. What have you got for us in these bags, sir? A little bit of everything. He's came with his iconic sticker, of course. Guys, my favorite cousins are here. My crazy cousins are here. Me and Brides. Welcome to, how do you feel about my apartment before you've seen anything?
We're hungry.
Housewarming and we're having a blast.
Yes.
My cousin Marlon,
You know,
one of my favorites. He was the one doing the speech or commenting. What is MC at my graduation?
Yes.
You know, looking dapper today. You
Looking
know.
dapper, and we're
Yes.
outside. Welcome to my rooftop. This is where we live at.
I know you're my little sister, yeah, but I'm gonna tell you one thing.
Yeah.
You're actually an inspiration.
No.
Even though you're my little sister, I actually look up to you.
That's
I actually
so
look up to you
cute.
because you're doing your thing.
I don't know.
All I'm gonna say is, yeah,
that.
keep doing your thing. We're all proud of you.
Don't,
Even
'cause my
though,
makeup.
because I know we go way back. So
Yes, we do.
I'm proud of you, man. So we keep doing your thing.
That's
And you
so
haters out there,
cute.
yeah.
No, there's no hate. We don't. Thank you, guys. I've got a present. Everybody, I've got a present. Let's see. It says, to Lara, you did it, sis. You've moved to your dream city and secured a F-off apartment. I am super proud and happy for you. I won't write too much because I've already said it all. Just here to say, here's a small sentimental to remind you that we are always with you wherever you go. From Fadzi. I can't see it, but what is that? Oh my god! What is it?
Oh, fancy.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, baby! It's gonna be much so nice. Thank you.
Give her a tissue, go on.
That's really, really cute. Guys, so I'm coming to check in around 10 p.m. So tired. Everyone is upstairs in my dining room and I am just in my bedroom. I'm taking a nap because I'm so tired from partying. I've just left them all up there. I've just left my own party to come and take a nap because I'm so tired, and might end the vlog here, but also it's now dark, like it's now pitch black outside, which means the rooftop is going to be looking so beautiful. I might just like take this quick nap and then go back upstairs and like look out with them and you know, that kind of thing. So cute. I'm so excited, and yeah, this day has been